Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can minimize or minify the code that you have been written in HTML, CSS or JavaScript for free. Now if you are a beginner and you write some codes, the code may be very messy, and if you are presenting that code to someone, that will definitely an ideal situation. Now in order to minify the the code, just simply open any browser and search for this which says HTML CSS JS minifier. Now open this first website which is www.minify.org. Once you go to this website, it will ask you to upload the file. Just simply upload the JavaScript file for the same, the CSS file and the HTML file. Once you do that, just simply hit minify, and your messed up code will get minified and get organized by this website for free. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.